Seeing the sun. I'm also really happy seeing this. I'm basically exploring every day. All right, I think euro and American dollar would be a great start based on what I'm seeing, and I'm going to place just 25 bucks for the start. I'm gonna leave a couple dollars for the insurance, and for this first one I'm going to enter a put option as the price has broken through the SAR and the middle Bollinger Band. So you see a downtrend is forming after pulling back from the high, and we are going to ride that downtrend to make them profits. Guys, just a quick reminder, in case you didn't know or somehow forgot, things happen. I have a really special Telegram channel, a link to which you will find below this video. And in this Telegram channel, I share everything I know and learn about trading with you. So if you really want to level up your trading game, join me there, because that's the best shortcut I can think of. Honestly, the reviews are amazing. So, and $48 is my first profit. So little and so sweet, but that is the first step. You know, start small, go big. That is my motto. I am going to gradually increase the profits and the beats, obviously, but let's get ourselves another asset pair. I wonder if we can work with this one. I think we have a pretty solid chance. I'm going to increase the bid to $35 for this next one. And let's see. So guys, the price failed to break above the middle Bollinger Band. The SAR is also indicating a downtrend, and a reversal has begun, so I'm gonna enter on a put option following this micro trend. You know, the trends are different and so are the markets, but when you see the opportunity and you're pretty sure you can seize it, just go for it. I mean, risk management and risk assessment is the key to any kind of success, whether it's short-term or long-term, but pay attention. Be focused on it. Like 100% of the time you're trading, you have to be in it, and you have to see the things that aren't, you know, sometimes visible at first sight, and you will get the result you want. $67.20. Amazing. Simply amazing. And let's place $65 for this next one. All right, interesting. So the Williams percentage range is showing the pair is currently in the overbought territory, and I'm expecting at least a technical pullback downward. So let's go for it. Time to sell, time to go for a drop. Drop. And drop and drop and drop. The rain season is finally over, and I am just so happy seeing the sun. I'm also really happy seeing this profit, 124 bucks. Amazing. All right, beautiful result. Okay, I am going to check if this asset pair could be a good one. I think it could. I'm gonna place $100 this time, and guys, a pretty strong downtrend is in play, and we are going to continue follow it. I'm gonna enter a short position here. I mean, the price is failing to break the middle Bollinger Band, and the SAR is confirming the downtrend. So it's definitely time to go down, right? Yay, $192. I mean, great result. So if you know what you're doing, it's so much fun and joy to trade. I love it. Okay, let's zoom in and see. And I am going to increase the bid to $200. Yes, I mean, started with a 25 and now we are here making the progress. So the price, guys, the price here is consolidating below the middle Bollinger Band. Take a closer look. And SAR is still indicating a bearish trend. So I'm gonna enter a put option, as the Williams percentage range also suggests there is still room for further downside. All right, and we are going to wait for that drop together, okay? Guys, and if you're looking for one place to get you all the answers to all the questions you might have about trading, I will be really happy to see you here on my Telegram channel. You will find the link below, and that's the one place where I gather everything, the pro trading tips, the best, most efficient strategies, unique signals, and insights to help you get the stable earnings every time you trade. Yes, and that's the real proof. $352. Amazing, amazing. All right, really happy. Okay, next, as a pair, here we go. And I'm gonna place $250 for this next one. And let's see. Oh well. Can we work with this? I'm still not sure. So whenever you're hesitant, just take your time. Don't rush into any decisions. Okay, so I get some clarity now. So this pair is in the global downtrend, remaining here, and the price is rejecting the middle Bollinger Band, and SAR is also signaling a decline. So I'm gonna enter a short position on the pullback and wait for the result. That is right. So yeah, I was saying the rainy season is over. I am so grateful. I mean, I don't mind an occasional rain, but when it's raining for like 2 weeks straight and you're in Asia, you want to go around, see the places, enjoy the culture, food, and people, and it's raining, it sucks. But now I'm basically exploring every day, but also I'm trading every day. $480. Guys, what a great result of a great session. I started, my first bid was 25 bucks and I got $639 within the matter of minutes. And you can do the same. Please check out my TG channel. The link is below if you have any questions, or even if you don't have any questions, but just maybe scared or hesitant. My channel can take your trading game to the next level. The best strategies, tools, and insights are waiting for you there. And thank you so much for watching my 2 days video. I am really happy to be trading and sharing this journey with you. And I can't wait to see you back here really, really soon. All right? Stay awesome.